Hi, this is me, Claire, the dreamer, and this is my husband, Justin, the skeptic. We come from a small town at the bottom of New Zealand called Invercargill, next stop, the Antarctic. We met back in 2009. I was a backpacker from the UK, travelling New Zealand, when I met him, a Southland boy. We got together, and before long, I traded my backpack for the life down south. Fast forward 16 years, we've built a beautiful house, had two amazing kids, and both graduated as teachers, securing jobs in the most supportive and rewarding school. Honestly, the dream life we once only talked about. But once all your goals have been ticked off, well, what then? We've realised that material things don't always matter. It's the adventures, the experiences, and the memorable moments with our loved ones that we truly cherish. So that's where we find ourselves now, looking for adventure with our kids while they still want to hang out with us. So this channel is all about the messy, real, be worth it process of making that happen. Not just for the travel, but everything leading up to it. The doubts, the spreadsheets, the packing fails, the dreams, and the little wins. I envision this page not being the picture-perfect travel vlog. It's the behind-the-scenes look at uprooting your life for something new. So if you would like to know more about any of these things up here, and whether we can make it happen, then why don't you follow and subscribe and see how social media might play a part in our journey.